Welcome to Walking with Pics as we explore Great Missenden, a delightful village in the heart of the Chilterns of Buckinghamshire, home and inspiration to the world-renowned author Roald Dahl. Keep watching till the end for a selection of photos taken along the way, including the lovely stained glass windows from the Church of St. Peter and St. Paul. Nestled between Aylesbury and the bustling highways of the M40 and M25, plus a direct rail link to London Marylebone Station in around 40 minutes, Great Missenden offers excellent transport links. Whether you're heading to London, the Midlands or further afield, the village's strategic location makes the journey effortless. We'll touch more about its location later in the video. As we wander down the high street, you will find various small independent retail shops, estate agents, a few coffee shops, traditional English pubs and restaurants, not to mention the famous Roald Dahl Museum. The wonderful enchanting red pump garage, from what I managed to research, is from about 1950 and was the inspiration for the garage in Danny, the champion of the world, and Crown House is the basis of Sophie's Orphanage in the BFG, both books by Roald Dahl. The author moved to the outskirts of the village in 1953, where he stayed until his passing in 1990, and his final resting place up at the church. Out of interest, if anyone knows the exact date of the garage, please drop a comment down below, as I would love to know. Before passenger railways came to England in 1826, horse-drawn stagecoaches were used to transport passengers, mail and freight, etc. Great Missenden was ideally situated on the route between London and the Midlands. Because the horses had to rest or be swapped over every few hours, then they would stop at coaching inns along the route. The George Inn was one of the original coaching inns of the village, which dates from the 14th century. During the stagecoach era, the village had no less than 12 coaching inns on the High Street and Church Street. With the birth of railways, stagecoaches started to be withdrawn from service around 1839 onwards, which led to the closure of most of the inns, and the village turned to more rural means of industry for income. As we cross the bridge over the A413, we enter into the grounds of St. Peter and St. Paul Parish Church. The church's nave dates from Saxon times in the 10th century, but the building is mostly from the 14th century and was restored in 1899. It is rumoured that the village was originally a few settlements dotted around the church, before ending up where it is now, sometime around the Middle Ages. Coming next is a small selection of photographs from today's walk in Great Missenden. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Walking with Pics for more Old English village walks. Also, share your thoughts in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Your feedback will help us create better content for you to enjoy.